Hey y'all, welcome back to Live Free, Live Wild. We're going to do a quick video today on show you how to possibly get yourself out of a sticky situation. So we're going to use this piece of wood right here. Alright, so we got through. Now, we gotta find something that'll fit perfect in there. It's not too tight though. Now you want to find the strongest piece of wood that you can, live. You don't want dead wood for this part. This can be, fairly dead, but you want it to be strong for what we're doing, okay? You're gonna be putting weight on it. I don't like using serrated edges because the strongest part is going to be here. You're here and it puts too much torque on your wrist, so you don't get as strong as a cut because your wrist is able to bend more. Up close, that's where you want it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut a V-notch all the way around. I'll come back when I got this done. Okay, so I got it fairly cleaned up. I'm kind of in a hurry right now because I think it's gonna storm. I hear the tater wagon coming. If you know what the tater wagon is, comment down below. I need you guys to start commenting if you want to help the channel. That's all I ask. Like, share, comment. So, cleaned it up. Obviously, you could sit down and clean it up a lot better than that. But here's what you're gonna do. This, you're gonna run your rope through here for your pulley. Okay? Now one ain't gonna do a lot, but if you make several of these, hook them up to a vehicle, you know, make a block and tackle, 3 on one side, 2 on the other. Hook them to a tree. So you're gonna run a rope from here to here and make a loop, okay? And then you tie that loop off to a tree. Then you run your rope through here. That makes a pulley. All right, so you carve 5 of these, 6 of these, whatever. Now, you're like, oh, well, I don't want to carve all that. Well, if you're stuck and you ain't got no way out, might as well sit down and carve something. So you might as well sit down and carve something that's going to get you out. Now, it might take a couple tries. You might have to find better wood, whatever. Stuff might break, but it's just wood. Recarve it. You know, this channel is about figuring it out, getting yourself out of jams in a sticky situation. And what other sticky situation is being stuck in the mud, in the woods somewhere? So, go out in the woods, try it. Sit at home in a safe place and try it. So there you go. Comment, like the video, share the video. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell. Make sure the bell's on so you get notifications. Commenting and liking will help the video. It will help the channel. Okay? I'm not worried about this video. I'm not worried about going viral. I just want to make good content for you guys, and this will help by commenting and liking and sharing. So there you go. That's a quick one. Try it. Sit in a comfortable spot and try it. See if you can do it. It's very simple. Live free. Live wild. Be good, or be good at it.